Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I'll show you how to change the shape of text in Adobe Illustrator so you can create creative titles, stylish logos, or custom typography with ease. Let's jump straight into the steps. First, open Adobe Illustrator and type your text using the Type tool. Click anywhere on the artboard and enter the word or phrase you want to shape. Make sure your text is selected so we can begin modifying it. Next, to transform the text, you'll need to convert it into editable shapes. Go to the top menu, click on Type, then choose Create Outlines. This turns your text into vector paths, allowing you to reshape every letter individually. Now, select the Direct Selection tool. Click and drag on any anchor point or handle around the letters. You'll notice you can pull, bend, or curve the shapes to create unique styles and designs. Take your time and experiment with different points until you get the exact look you want. If you want more advanced shaping options, select the text outlines and go to the top menu to open the Envelope Distort panel. Choose Make with Warp, then pick a preset like Arc, Bulge, Flag, or Wave. Adjust the sliders to see real-time changes and fine-tune your design. You can also use the Make with Mesh option under Envelope Distort to get even more control. This lets you drag mesh points and warp your text freely, almost like stretching a piece of fabric. Once you're happy with the shape, make sure to expand the effect by going to Object and clicking on Expand. This finalizes the design and turns everything into clean vector shapes that you can save or use in your projects. And that's how you change the shape of text in Adobe Illustrator. If this helped you out, be sure to stick around for more tutorials right here on PC Error Detective. Thanks for watching.